You're not going to believe what we've done now. Have you ever seen a disassembled HondaJet? Just to be clear, that's a mechanic back there. So this aircraft became available and we acquired it after there was some leading edge damage to one of the wings. Now the repair bill was enormous and the owner decided to sell it. So here it is in our brand new turbine disassembly shop at BAS Part Sales. We're gonna get everything out of this aircraft. The landing gear, the control surfaces, every system, everything in the cockpit, the G3000 suite up front, it's gonna be up for sale very soon. We're gonna get absolutely every nut and bolt off of this airplane, and we will have lots of HondaJet parts available on the store very soon. If you're in need, you need to get in touch quick. Now, be sure to like and subscribe.